Just a short flight away awaits picturesque geography and a thriving nightlife of the Canaries. Located in a fantastic area, this beach offers the escape you've been looking for. Where you and your loved one can get away from it all. But if fishing is more your style, then we've got you covered with some of the nicest spots around. Of course, the nearby attractions are a must-see. The wide range of sights and activities make this a perfect spot for the next family getaway. So go on and treat yourself to a little fun in the sun.